I don't give a fuck about myself. I ain't shit. I ain't never gonna be shit. And you less of a man than me, so soon as I decide that you ain't gonna be shit,
Smugger.
so be it. You remember that, motherfucker.
Check. Coming from North Philly, yeah, you gotta keep a stick, cause youngest 12 to 16, and they dropping shit. Ain't nobody try stopping my line. A nigga get robbed quicker than a poppy store around Christmas time. Gotta switch on my grind, and we keep Glocks, nigga, and I'm popping mines. 33 rockets just like Elijah wine. Birds flying high, niggas smile in your face, cause the hate inside. Philly where I reside, nowadays is nothing but pain and homicides. Way too many mamas cry. Yeah, you hear the pain in this verse, and you ain't seen pain until you been laid in the hearse and put up in the dirt. Reminisce about them every time you say they motherfucking face up on his shirt. And me, I go so hard, and these niggas so soft. If these niggas show off, I turn into Omar, the nigga off the wire. Nah, no gay shit. My niggas, we spray clips, and we stay high like telephone wires. If you need a job, little nigga, come get higher. Weed, dope, and pills, nigga, I supply ya.
Yeah. Skellz. FOE, nigga. FOCB, bitch. Hey yo, sometimes the oils, but strictly the weed scent, man. A real G always ride behind some tent, man. Pussy, you don't know you fucking with some hitting, man. From across the street, 10 feet, I ain't missing. And if the cops come, I'm still gon' let this shit blast. You don't know what happened, got caught up in the riff-raff. I was trying to stack my cash, playing in the bank, have it grow like grass. If I go broke, man, I'm putting on the mask. Niggas see me running, start moving in the stash. Nigga moving funny, I'm busting on your ass. Yeah. Nigga, I could fly you a bird or front you a quarter. Niggas get dirty in your game, try to snatch your daughter. We gon' risk our life, go and get folks his daughter. Shit, we gon' risk our life to get his daughter. Hey yo, got some big necks, I got it for a nice price. Hustle hard, shine these niggas like street lights. Big ass niggas the size of fucking Mike and I say yo, the cell phone jumping, so the fiend ain't got a hike. I'm a hustler, baby, I'll bring the fucking pipe. Nigga, don't fuck with boy, you gon' lose your life. Went through what you want, you can't pass it twice. When I blast that gat, you gon' see flashing lights. Whoa.